In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Cloudflare managed domain to your server. First, head to your Cloudflare dashboard and open the domains area. Here, choose the option to onboard a domain. You can bring in an existing domain you already own or register a new one through Cloudflare. If you already have a domain hosted elsewhere, onboarding lets Cloudflare manage DNS and protect your traffic while still pointing to your current server. When prompted for DNS, you'll see a few ways to add records. Cloudflare offers a quick scan that looks up your existing DNS records automatically. This is the fastest route and usually finds your API name and MX records. Take a moment to confirm the results, especially the A record that points to your server's IP and any subdomains you rely on. If something's missing or outdated, you can manually enter DNS records, or if you have one, upload a DNS zone file to import everything at once. For this walkthrough, select the quick scan option for now to keep things moving. Next, you'll be asked how you want to handle AI training bots. You'll see three choices: block on all pages, block only on host names with ads, or do not block to allow crawlers. To keep it simple and private while you set up, choose block on all pages for now, then continue. You can always refine this later based on your content and policy. Now it's time to pick a plan. You'll see free, pro, business, and enterprise. The free plan is perfect for most small projects and initial setup, and you can upgrade anytime. Select free for now, then confirm by clicking select plan. Cloudflare will now provide your unique name servers. This is the key step that connects your domain to Cloudflare's network. Use the copy buttons to grab each name server. You'll replace your current name servers with these at your domain registrar, where your domain is registered. After saving the change at your registrar, Cloudflare will start checking for the update. Propagation can be quick, but allow up to 24 hours. You'll see a confirmation in your Cloudflare dashboard once the name server switch is recognized. At that point, your domain will be managed by Cloudflare and route traffic to your server using the DNS records you reviewed during the scan. If you ever need to adjust where a subdomain points, you can return to the DNS tab and edit records without touching your registrar again. That's it. You've onboarded your domain, applied sensible defaults, selected a plan, and connected Cloudflare to your server.